Want a presentation that looks like it was built out of actual Lego bricks? Watch this. I generated one in Gamma AI with just a single prompt, and I'm going to show you exactly how I did it. So here's the plan. First, I'll walk you through starting a new project in Gamma. Then we'll craft the perfect prompt to get that Lego style. And finally, we'll generate the full outline and turn it into a complete presentation. All right, let's jump in. Start by heading over to gamma.app. Once you're there, look for the big button that says Generate and click it. This is where every new presentation begins, so this is your starting line. Now, this is the really important part. We're going to make a prompt that forces Gamma to think in Lego. I'm going to type in something like, create a presentation about the psychology behind successful people using Lego style. See what I did there? I didn't just say make a slideshow. I specifically told it to use a Lego visual style. And here's a tip from experience. Be very literal with your style requests. If you just say colorful or creative, Gamma might give you something generic. But Lego style is specific enough that the AI knows exactly what to do. So go ahead and type in your topic. Just make sure you include those magic words, using Lego style. Once your prompt looks good, you'll see an option to generate outline. Click that. Now this is where Gamma does some of the heavy lifting. It's going to think about your topic and structure it into a logical flow of slides. This might take a moment to process, which is totally normal. Give it a few seconds to work its magic. When the outline appears, take a quick look at it. This is your chance to make sure the structure makes sense. If everything looks good, click the Generate button to turn that outline into actual slides. And again, just wait while Gamma builds everything out. Now let's see what we've got. Gamma will start populating your presentation with text and images, all styled with that Lego-inspired look you asked for. You'll see blocks of color and chunky, toy-like design elements. It's really quite fun to watch come together. So now that the slides are generated, you can customize anything you want. Click on any text block to rewrite it, swap out images if you need to. This is where you make the presentation truly yours. Just remember, the Lego style is baked into the design, so even when you change the words, that playful look stays intact. Let's talk about colors. If you want to change the overall color scheme to match your brand or just your personal preference, go to the theme settings. You can pick a completely new palette, and Gamma will automatically apply it across all your slides. The Lego style will adapt to the new colors, which is pretty cool. Finally, when everything looks exactly how you want it, you can export the presentation as a PDF or share it directly with a link. I usually go with the link option because it's faster and keeps all the animations intact. And that's it. From a blank page to a full Lego-style presentation in just a few minutes. The key takeaway here is that the magic is all in the prompt. Be specific about your style, and your AI tool will reward you with something visually unique. Now go build something awesome.